Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and new activities. All right, so today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called miniature bowling. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. Alright, so here's the setup for this fun game of miniature bowling. What I did is I have about about 4 pool noodles. I have a hula hoop, a water bottle, I put some tape on the floor, and a ball. Those are the only items you're going to need for this activity, so stay tuned and I'll demonstrate this in just a moment. Alright, so your students are first going to start with a rolling motion. So now if you haven't taught your students how to roll, again, quick demonstration. Opposite foot forward, make sure they place the ball in their hand or their dominant hand. They're going to swing it back in a tick-tock motion, staying low to the ground and gradually just releasing the ball as low to the ground as possible. So that's going to be the rolling motion. Now, what I'm going to do is just like any type of bowling activity, you are going to stand behind a bowling lane. This is your bowling lane. What you're going to have to do is roll the ball, and when you roll it, you want it to bank off a wall, come across, and this is where the miniature golf plate comes into play. You want the ball to either land inside of this hula hoop, which will be worth 1 point, or if it knocks down the bottle, it's going to be worth 3 points. Okay, just like the game of bowling, each individual will get 2 turns per frame. Here we go, level 1. Oh, and I just missed it. All right, so I'm going to try it again. This is my second turn in my first frame. And I didn't get around. Go. Up, up, and not so much. Use it with a little more power. All right, next. Up, up, up. Oh, a little too much power on that one. All right, so we're moving on to our second frame, and now our second frame, we're going to use our opposite hand to roll the ball. So again, I'm right-handed. I'm going to use my left hand on this challenge. Right foot goes forward, left foot goes back. Again, going to release it, try to knock it off the wall, and knock down my target. All right, so here we go. First try.
1, 2, 3, come on.
Oh. And second try. And, oh, there it is. Oop, there it is. All right, so if you guys see, I knocked down the ball, so therefore I got 3 points on my second frame. All right, second frame, Jordan's up, non-dominant hand. Ooh, now. Oh, 3 points on his first try. He still has 1 more try. Again. Up, oh. Good try. All right, so now for the third frame, instead of rolling, you guys could modify it and change it and actually have the students kick the ball. So you guys could have them use the inside of their foot. Again, step with their opposite foot forward and then swing their leg. And you're going to kick the ball, same thing, bounce it off the wall and knock down the water bottle for 3 points or making the hula hoop for 1 point. So stay tuned for frame number 3. So here we go. This is great for accuracy, for striking an object, and as well as strategy. So here we go. Ah, just missed it. A little bit more power. And let's see how I do. Oh, just missed inside of the foot. Oh, a little to the left. One more time. And use the inside of his foot. He's gonna have to strike it. No, he does not. He got 1 point on that. So in the third frame, Jordan scored 1 point. Round number 4, or frame number 4, which is going to be using our non-dominant foot. So stay tuned. All right, here we go. Fourth frame, again, using your non-dominant foot. All right, oh, just missed. Oh, it's coming back. And it stopped. All right, here we go. My second shot of this fourth frame. And just goes around the rim. All right, here we go. Jordan's up. Fourth frame. Oh, pops it right over. Does it have enough power to get to the hole? And it does not. All right, Jordan's up. Second shot's coming up. Oh, that looks like a beauty. Oh, it's going. It's going. It's in for 1 point. Can he get 3? Let's see. We shall. Oh, it tapped up. And 1 point for Jordan. All right, bonus round. So Jordan thought of a really cool and creative obstacle for this miniature bowling lane right here. So make sure you stay tuned, and we're gonna do our bonus round in just a moment. All right, here we go, bonus round. And let's go. Oh, and do I get it to the hoop? Oh, not quite, all right. Second try in my bonus round frame. And let's get going. And, oh, go around, blow. Get in. And it does not. All right, here we go, bonus round. Jordan has decided to kick with his dominant foot. All right, you're up. Oh, too much power. Good kick though, that was beautiful. Second try of our fifth bonus round frame. Ooh, that looks like it has enough touch. Oh, it's in, 1 point. Can he get 3? Oh, touches it, but does not knock it over. So bonus round, Jordan got 1 point. Well, really hope you enjoyed that game of miniature bowling. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
And again, please don't forget to use our hashtag, the PE spot, because we'd like to see how you guys are implementing our games into your activities and how you guys are modifying them to meet your students' needs. So again, please don't forget to use the hashtag, the PE spot. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.